The NBA is a Norwood Basketball Academy, and it's a program that Kevin and myself started to try and get the youth involved, even at a lot earlier ages, get them off the streets maybe, and keep them occupied, and try to teach them the fundamentals of basketball, so that when they do get to high school, whatever high school they do choose to attend, they have better skills and can be a little bit more competitive.
It's a chance for kids who love the game of basketball to learn from coaches. Not only JP and myself, but also the coordinator of the NBA, Scott Shepard, goes around, and we have coaches clinics, and it's a chance for them to develop their skills and learn from somebody and have fun, at an early age, and build a love of the game.
The NBA was formed with Norwood Recreation and the Norwood High School basketball coaches coming together to work on the youth basketball program together, to give them as much attention and information in basketball as we can, so that they can improve their skills and improve their game.
It's the beginning of the NBA. It's the first year for it, and like I said, it's just to build. We're trying to get these kids interested and teach them the fundamentals of basketball, and that's the most important thing to us and to the coaches, and also to the parents. It gives the kids something to do that's active.
The NBA is a needed entity because it's a partnership with the two organizations that are, operating your youth basketball. Norwood Recreation operates the youth basketball in that, and your high school basketball knows what the skills and the knowledge those children have to be able to continue playing from, the younger ages, the youth sports, going into the school sport. To offer the kids, number one, the most training and the most knowledge we can give the coaches that are coaching our youth sports. Number two, all that knowledge is going to go to the kids.
It's just about getting the kids out, developing them, helping them have fun, love of the game, and then keeping them interested in basketball.
After this weekend, we don't play again after the New Year. Let's go. Let's go. Switch.
Kids need information and practice to be able to be better ball players. And the only way they're going to get that is by first training the coaches on what those kids need to know, how they need to know it, and then making sure that that information is going from the coaches to the kids. Kids will benefit by new drills. The high school coaches are the ones that are out there, and they're seeing all the new skills or the new ways to teach the skills. So them being able to pass that information along to us and to the youth coaches is just going to improve those kids and improve their skills as they grow.
Our role in the NBA is kind of we just kind of oversee the whole program, and we've actually hired a great guy, Scott Shepard. He really coordinates the whole program, and all we kind of do is make sure that Scott knows what's going on, and he knows exactly what Kevin and myself want taught to the kids, and what they need to be taught, and it's really, so far, it's been great.
Running recreation, we have other things going on, not just basketball, and with the high school coaches, they're in the height of their season. Trying to communicate sometimes isn't the easiest, that's where Scott Shepard comes in. Really is a great asset, because he's able to do the communicating between both and just keep that a full circle of communication.
We also have coaches clinics. We had, I believe, 2 coaches clinics already, and we're looking to have another one, just to work with the youth coaches, any questions they have, any questions they need as far as what we believe in and our philosophies, and also, any examples we can give them of what we think works best with the youth.
Having a book that has, these are the skills for everyone to look at, instead of having coaches, okay, you need to work on dribbling, shots, and everything else. Each coach could interpret that their own way, where now it's all right there. One
of the overriding goals I know we have is to get more youth involved in basketball, so that it's just they have something to do after school. It's not just going home and maybe playing the Xbox or doing something like that, so that when they do get older again, they have the fundamentals and the skills necessary to make a junior high basketball team or make a high school basketball team and have a really fun time doing it.
We play man-to-man defense, full court pressure, and I like to see them shoot the ball. I tell them if you get a shot, take it. They've been really aggressive. We like to push the ball, keep our head up and get a pass up and get an easy basket.
Presley Darty. Sydney Farley. Hope Griswold. Amber Hobbs. Deshyla Johnson. Hannah Lewis. Caitlin Melton. Emery Trietz. Bethany Wiles.
Well, this year I've got a lot more tools to work with that I have not had prior. What I've had to do when I wanted to find something, I had to go through computer stuff like that for resources, where I've kind of had the resources on hand. For the most part, I was pretty happy, especially for all the new kids that I got and the stuff they've had to learn in such a quick time.
Brett Batchelder. Hank Burling. Justin Bernard. Michael George. Silas McClure. Austin Reno. Zach Rush. Brandon Veach. Cameron Walker. Jordan Willis.
This year especially, the emphasis on fundamentals has really made a big difference with these kids. The more and the longer you can do the fundamental things with these kids, the quicker they learn, the better they get faster.
Mark Foster. My name is Patrick Foster. Christopher Green. Dawson News. My name is Joe Johnson. Zach Manning. Gemma George. Jacob Moyers. My name is Hunter Raines.
I'm really looking forward to this year, and there's a lot of good things that can happen with this team, and they're listening, and that's the number one key for me. As long as they listen, they have fun, we'll have a good season.
Sterling Bosch.
My name is Chase Breed.
My name is Ben Burdett.
Jacob Burke.
Austin Carty.
My name is Isaac Foss. Travis Goodman.
My favorite thing about coaching the young kids is definitely just getting to know the kids and seeing them progress from the beginning of the season to the end. I absolutely love watching them play in later years and think that I was a part of that.
My name is Luis Ariaza.
My name's Kyle Bowen.
My name is Dominique Davis. My name is Jonathan Davis.
My name is Kenneth Taylor Fogus.
My name is Nick Hansen.
My name is William Taylor.